Hello, my name is Andrei.
And my name is Ana.
In this video, you will learn the full choreography of the song You Are the Reason from Calum Scott. You can also see the full choreography with the music, and we will leave a link in below. So, let's get the job done.
Firstly, the man goes to the center of the dance floor. The lady comes and accepts the invitation of the young gentleman, and she will make 2 turns on the inside, and then she will go on her back like this. After that, they will separate, and the girl will make a circle with waltz moves around the boy. They will come face to face together. After that, let's try it one more time on the back, separating, and the waltz move, right, left, right. The man has its arm extended to her. They will come face to face, and they will hold hands. They will exchange places in this manner, like this. Let's try it one more time. They will make the exchange in this manner. Let's try it all around. The man comes to the center, invites the lady. The lady shall come, makes 2 turns, 1, 2. Goes on her back like this. They will separate. The waltz move around the boy. The boy has its arm extended. They come together and they exchange their places with an X. Yep. After that, the lady will make 1 turn and they will start the figure called the big box. Firstly, I will explain it for the man. The man goes with his right foot forward, stop. Left foot 90 degrees, stop. Left foot backwards, stop. Right foot 90 degrees, stop. Right foot forward, stop. Left foot 90 degrees, stop. Left foot backwards, stop. Right foot 90 degrees. Let's explain for the lady. For the lady. Left foot backwards, stop. Right foot 90 degrees, stop. Right foot forward, stop. Left foot, stop. Left foot backwards, stop. Right foot 90 degrees, stop. Right foot forward, stop. Left foot 90 degrees, stop. Okay, let's do it a little bit quicker with 1 stop, not 2. After that, the lady will make a turn, a very interesting one, like this. Let me explain it to you. The man will have his hands underneath the girl's hands, and she will go with her left arm like this. Okay. Come together and then separate. After that, she will come to the gentleman on her side. They will look at each other, and the man goes down like this and comes together up. They will rotate and come face to face. Let's try it again. The man comes to the dance floor, invites the lady. The lady comes, makes 2 turns, and then goes down and up. Separate waltz move around the gentleman, and then come face to face, hold their hands and exchange places in this manner. Now, 1 turn, the big box, step, step, stop, step, step, stop, step, step, stop, step, step, stop. Let's make it 2 times. The turn, they come together and separate. She comes to him, and they go down and up. We will go rotating and come face to face. After that, we will go step, close, step, close, rotating the lady, and then step, close, rotating the lady. Okay, let's try it one more time. We will show you the rotation. Underneath the arm, after the arm. Okay, I got it. Let's do it again. And 1 step, turn. 1 and 2, and turn again. After that, the man will turn the lady with her face to the audience and then will rotate around her. He will unfold her to the right side. They will come together and then apart. And then they will exchange places like this. Once again, together, apart, then man goes 2 steps behind her and the lady will make a pirouette. Let's make it once again. And then 1 step, 2 steps, pirouette. And then again, turn around and then turns the lady to the audience, unfolds the lady after that, okay, and then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do the next step. They will hold hands, rotate, and then slowly drift apart. They will come together when the music will say. He will go down and will lift her really quickly. Just like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate her to the face of the audience and then unfold her. And that's all. Thank you very much. Now we'll make this all together again. And then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then 1, 2, we'll go again. We will unfold the lady. 1 together. Okay. 1, 2, and she will turn, and then they will hold their hands, drift apart, and come together really quickly 2 times, and then go. Okay, oopsie. Continuing, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She will turn around and she will unfold like this to make the presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you for today, and we will see you in the next video. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe on our channel. If you want a customized choreography only for you, we can work together. You just need to contact us on the link below. See you next time!